Shalom, giving all praise to Yahweh, Bashem, Al Shai, Bashem, Rakak, Wadash. Shalom to the 144,000 rest elect out there. Shalom to all. I'm going to make this super quick, and I'm going to entitle this video The Gold and Silver Update. Because I did a video last night. Someone asked me a question about would I go to buy gold and silver. So I did a little short video. And the individual got the video. He saw the video and thanked me for it. Anyway, and I told him he can go to this page, Monex. Now, last night, we're talking, 12 hours? 12 hours or so. Gold was 3,000. Look, it's changing right there, right before your eyes. This is all in real time, y'all. So if gold was 3,087, and it dropped 71%. I'm sorry, not 71%, but $71. 87, 97, 107, 117, 127, 137, 147, 157. We're talking, wow. We're talking, look at this. Look at this. Now it's kind of shooting back up. You saw that, right? But last night it was I believe it was 1,000. I can always check it. It was 3,155. A couple of days ago, it was almost 3,100 and almost 80. And this is from Trump. He made it official that the terrorists were in, and this is going to be a roller coaster ride to see how this thing fluctuates. Give me a second here. Yeah, it dropped by almost $100. Give me a second. Okay, so it's 3,092. It dropped 60, almost 70%. I mean almost $70, which is minus 2.09%, almost 3%. So now let's check silver. I'm sorry, let's do it this way. I don't want to do it that way. Yeah, I mentioned in the video last night an eagle. I call it eagles. This is okay, this is Monex's own silver. It's called a round. That's their own design. This is this is American Silver Eagle. This price represents, I believe, if you buy, what is that, 34, 300. I believe if you buy 100 of them. You have the maple leaf. Which is Canadian coin. Silver Canadian bald eagle. You got the Philharmonic. I'm trying to find this right here is junk silver, which is good too. You got to know what you're doing with the junk silver. You got the British. I'm looking for South African silver. There's nothing where it speaks about the Perth. Anyway, let's do this. Let me come back over here. Okay, so now let's go to, bear with me for a minute. Okay, let's go to silver. So we got the chart here, right? Look at this. Show you something. This was 2,300. Had you invested in silver, if you got 1 troy ounce of gold, silver, golden eagles, excuse me, it would cost you 2,300. If you sat on it, you would have made 2,300. You'd have made like 700, almost $800. And from April 4th, you sat on it for a year. We're in April 3rd. Let's say you got 1,000 ounces. You did pretty damn good. And he's super rich. They can do that. They don't gotta work. They don't gotta do shit. All they gotta do is invest. Their assets make money for them. So let's go to the silver chart. I might be doing this every day because this crazy times we're living in. All right, 32. All right, 32. Silver is right now, it's $32.13. You might go to a dealer, he may charge you $42 for each coin. If you buy a bunch, if you buy 1,000, I'm gonna give you $5,000. I want $5,000 worth of gold. He'll give you a better price. This is called a bar. It's called a bar. These are also bars. Fort Knox, they have the big bars. The bricks. Also, you got platinum and palladium. Live prices. Let's go to live prices. This is in real time. Coming back over here. I'm going back to the main page. All right. So, anyway, you know what I'm going to do? Let me do this. I'm watching a CNBC. That's a financial cable channel that deals with, economic financing. So it says Trump tariffs spark global sell-off. So I'm going to look up the word global sell-off. Global sell-off, meaning a global sell-off refers to a widespread and sudden decline in the value of assets. Gold is an asset, silver is an asset, stocks is an asset, bonds, currencies, which is gold, silver. A global sell-off refers to a widespread or worldwide and sudden decline. You lost almost $80, damn near $100, as far as gold is concerned, and the value of assets. You got a car, you turn it into a taxi. That's an asset. That's a capital good. You get a car that you just drive around in. That's a consumer good. You don't make money off of it. It's not an asset. It's a liability. Across multiple markets, often triggered by the negative news or investor panic. Right, it's a panic. So they're selling a sell-off. Here's more details. A sell-off occurs when many investors simultaneously, decide to sell their holdings, leading to a sharp drop in prices. Gold went down by almost $100 inside of 12 hours. This is a company, Investopia. Topia meaning good place. Invest means to invest, of course. Sell off definition, how it works, blah, 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 blah. Let's go to news. Images. I'm sorry, not images. News. This is as of 47 minutes ago. U.S. dollar at risk of confidence crisis as Trump tariffs rattle global markets. Business Live. So, this is the time to buy, man. When you got this panic. They selling off this shit. The smart investor will also, a lot of these guys will sell off shit and buy it right back. Because what goes down must come back up as far as gold and silver is concerned. Ursula von der Leyen says tariffs a major blow to world economy. That's a bad thing, a major blow. As U.S. dollar falls to 6 months low after U.S. President Trump. So he's trying to make things better. He's making things worse. I don't know if he knows that. I don't know if they went up there and told him. You understand? Let's go to videos. Okay, this is all old stuff. Let's come back over here. So anyway, that's on to the next.